Hi guys, it's Wednesday, September 2nd, and today is an e-learning day for everybody. So things are going to be a little bit different today. First off, you guys have a Flipgrid assignment. I told everybody in class, and I think I told everybody on our Zoom yesterday who's in e-learning, that if you are having trouble with Flipgrid, just keep trying, and if you can't get it, you can just email me and let me know that you're having trouble and it will be fine, okay? We're just kind of experimenting with it today, okay? So your question for today is, do you think it's a good idea to have these practice e-learning days for everybody? And we're kind of actually doing that with Flipgrid. It's sort of a practice to see how it works and if it's a good idea for us to use it in the future or not, okay? So do you think it's good that we practice these things just in case every single person does have to go to e-learning? So your first assignment is to do the little video on Flipgrid, okay? Your next assignment is everybody has a assignment for the novel that we're reading. For 5th grade, you have Matilda, chapter 1 through 6. And then for 6th grade, you have Gathering Blue, chapter 1 through 4. Each of the assignments have just a few questions per page, so they're mostly long answers, which means you have to write multiple sentences for each answer. That's not the case for every question, but for most of them it is. And just make sure you're being detailed, giving good, complete sentence answers, okay? And then everybody's going to do Wordly Wise E, which is the last section of the first Wordly Wise that we've all been working on. Please make sure that you follow the directions. The directions say that you need to have a good, complete sentence for each answer. It also says that if there is not a vocabulary word in the answer, that you need to have one in the question, and vice versa. So if you have a word in the question that is bold, that means if it's a vocabulary word, and you don't need to have it in your answer. But if there's no bold word in the question, that means there's no vocabulary word, and you must have one in your answer, okay? And you're gonna use all 15 words only one time, okay? So do the best that you can. 6th graders, you should already know how to do this, but 5th graders, don't worry if you do something wrong. We're gonna go over it, and I'm going to go over the answers with you, and I'm gonna do a separate video on how to do Wordly Wise, and I will share that with any 6th graders who have never done Wordly Wise before also. So again, don't worry about it if you make a mistake. This first Wordly Wise is for a grade, but only a completion grade. And if you make mistakes, it's totally fine, okay? For attendance tomorrow, my regular e-learning people, it's the same as always. You have to be on the Zoom meeting. That's how I'm taking attendance, okay? Just like always. For the students who are in class, if you are a 5th grader, you need to answer the question that I give you in the email that I sent, which you should have gotten this morning. You have to tell me about a trick that you would play on your parents if you had parents like Matilda. 6th graders, you are taking attendance with your other teacher, okay? Not with me, with your other teacher. So Mr. Martin, Miss Kerrigan, and Mr. Yule, those are the teachers that you are taking attendance with today, not me, okay? So make sure you are doing whatever task they want you to do for attendance, and it needs to be done by 9 o'clock so that you can be marked for attendance. 5th graders, my task also needs to be done by 9 o'clock for you to be marked as present for e-learning day, okay? If you have any questions, please email me. I am here all day long at school, so you can contact me through email. I will be by my computer, or I will have my phone with me all day long. All right? Have a really good e-learning day.